Hey guys, Shavcal Tech Help here, and we're gonna solve your technical issues. So I'm Shavi, and today we're gonna learn how to make a flash drive for a bootable OS for a Mac OS. So we're gonna start the video. So we're gonna use Transmac software for this, and it is from Acute Systems. So you can download the transfer from here, and I'll leave the link in the description. Let's get started. So first we need to insert a USB drive, and we're gonna format the disk for the Mac. Yeah. And we just format the disk for the Mac, and this will ask, this may contain mounted PC volumes. Formatting will override them. Are you sure you want to continue? And we'll click on yes. So you can name as Mac OS. Okay, and we'll continue to click yes. And if it is if it says the format completed, and it will ask for the Windows to format the disk, and we should cancel it and press OK. And yeah, it's format completed, and let's right click on it and restore with the disk now, and click yes. Well, you need to locate where is your DMG file. Only DMG files work. I'll leave the link in the description. So you might also download, and yeah, this is the El Capitan, and it's DMG file. So we'll restore with it. So you can download it from the link in the description. And we'll continue. And so it's already 97%, and it's 98 now. I think you got the 100%. After the completion, let's see what to do. So it's almost 99%. Yeah, the restoration is completed. So I will click on yes and check what's our inside. Okay, stuff. Okay, I gave. So let's eject this pen drive and plug into our macOS, which is corrupted. Okay, just you need to plug in the flash drive into the macOS and open it up, and you just need to turn it on by keeping your finger and pressing the Alt or the Option button. So your Mac will be booting up. Yeah, and there you go. You have the install OS X El Capitan, and you can do it by the arrows in the keyboard and hit enter. So you can download the El Capitan version of the macOS. So hope this video finds you the solution for your technical issue. And if you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts in the comment section below. And if you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And that's it for now, guys. Peace.